Seedance 2.5 just dropped, and the moment I saw the first generation, I knew I had to make a video about it. The difference is insane, but most people are going to waste a lot of credits on bad generations, and I already burned thousands of dollars figuring out what actually works. So today I'm going to show you how to use it the right way. We're going to clone a viral UGC video from scratch, build a full multi-scene UGC videos, and at the end I'll show you how to run this entire thing just by chatting with Claude. I'm gonna be sharing all of the prompts, flows, and everything else I built, and all I ask in return is for you to drop a like on this video. So for everything today, I'm gonna be using Max Fusion. They just released access to Seedance 2.5, and the easiest way to test it is to clone a viral UGC video. That way we can compare the real one against the generated one. And Max Fusion lets you find viral videos and remake them in a couple of clicks. I'll leave a link for Max Fusion in the description below, but once you log in, just click New Project on the left, then select Flows, create a new flow, click the plus icon and select the TikTok or Meta Ads research tool. I'll go with TikTok. I'll type something like this and hit search. In a minute, we have all of the best performing videos on this topic. We can see the likes, the views, the saves, everything. Now let's pick one of these videos and hit save. Click the plus icon and open the content analyzer. Connect the video we saved to the analyzer and run it. And just like that, we have a full master prompt for this video. Now hit the plus icon again and select prompt, then tap the plus icon one more time and select video generator. Connect the prompt, and in this box right here, drop in the outline we got from the analyzer. Now let's select Seedance 2.5 right here. Choose the video length. You can go up to 30 seconds and then just hit generate.
So many of you guys keep asking me where I get my blue light glasses from.
So many of you guys keep asking me where I get my glasses from. These are blue light glasses, and honestly, I wear them every single day. I've had them for over a year now, and there's not a single scratch on them.
Wow, this is actually crazy. Like, look how she pulls the phone away while talking. Small details like this make it look much more real, and Seedance 2.5 really nailed it. But now let's actually build something from scratch. I'm gonna go with this unboxing format, and I'll share the exact prompts so you can build it yourself. Let's open a new project on Max Fusion, select flows and open a new flow. Hit the plus icon and select prompt, plus icon again and select image generator. Now I'm just going to create an opening reference scene. I'm using this prompt right here, and you can grab all of them in the description. Drop it right here, connect the nodes, make sure GPT image 2 is selected, and pro tip, always go for more generations so you'll have more to choose from. So here are all of the opening scenes I created, and honestly, they all look great. The key here is making that cardboard box look realistic, like it just came from the post office. I'm gonna go with this one, so let's just add another prompt node, plus icon again, and select video generator. Now I just need a product image for the unboxing video, and I'll use these classic sneakers for this example. Hit the plus icon, select upload media, and add your product image. Now connect the prompt, the opening scene, and the product image to the video generator. And this is where the magic happens. The way to get the best out of Seedance 2.5 is to give each timestamp 3 things: the exact timestamp window, the exact words being spoken, and exactly what's on screen while they say it. And this is the full unboxing prompt I'm going to use. You can apply this to any product. The only thing you need to change are the brackets right here. Now I'll take this prompt, drop it here, fill in the brackets with my details, make sure Seedance 2.5 is selected. Then I'll select 15 seconds and hit generate.
Okay, so I ordered these like 2 weeks ago and they finally showed up. Okay, I genuinely cannot believe how good these look in person. The leather on these is actually crazy. I'm obsessed.
Okay, so what I like about this is that she starts out the video just speaking naturally while she unpacks the product. And when she brings the sneakers up to the camera, look at that blur in the background. I never seen that on Seedance 2.0 or any model, to be honest. Let's create another part of this video where she actually puts on the sneakers. Same process, add another prompt node and image generator. Let's take this prompt from step 3, drop it in, connect the prompt and the product image for the reference, and hit generate. This will create an opening scene image for the next part of our video. Once we have that ready, remove the first opening scene and connect the new one to the video generator. And finally, take this prompt from step 4 and drop it into the same prompt box. Run it with the same settings, Seedance 2.5 at 15 seconds. So the next part of the video is ready.
Yeah, no, these are not coming off.
Wow. This came out really good. Look how she reaches down and grabs the phone at the end, by the way. It looks very realistic. The sound also feels very natural. And keep in mind, that's one reference image for the character and one for the product. Seedance 2.5 actually lets you add up to 50 references for one generation. Now you can just save both of these to your computer and stitch them together in any editing software. So as you can see, the realism is on another level. Now I'm going to take one of my best performing UGC formats, which I originally built with Seedance 2.0, and regenerate the exact same video on 2.5. Same prompts, same flow, same everything. I'm only going to change the model. Here's a quick preview of the original video.
Marcus, I just started 3 months ago. I'm saying 3 cars today, but watch, I'll probably do 4.
The concept is simple. You ask multiple people on camera how many of a product they think they'll sell today. I already have the entire flow built out from the last time with all the character and animation prompts sitting in their notes, so I don't need to touch any of it. I'm going to leave this entire flow in the description below, along with a master prompt you can drop into Claude with your business details. Claude then generates all the character prompts and animation prompts for you automatically. You just paste them straight into the flow, hit generate, and you have your own version of this format for your brand in under an hour. So all I need to do is swap the model from Seedance 2.0 to 2.5 and regenerate. So let's start with this one. And here's our new clip. Let's compare them to.
I'm Valentina, I'm in sales, and I'm telling you right now, I'm personally closing 5 deals today.
I'm Valentina, I'm in sales, and I'm telling you right now, I'm personally closing 5 deals today.
Yeah, so you can already see the difference, like the movement, the way she holds the phone, the lighting. It's definitely a big improvement from the last model. Now I'll just regenerate all the remaining clips with Seedance 2.5. And in about 15 minutes, I have all of them ready. And just look at the difference between these two.
Marcus, I just started 3 months ago.
Marcus, I just started 3 months ago.
The first out, first case and first.
I'm saying 3 cars today.
You can actually hear this real background noise. Small details like this, always makes videos feel much more real. Now I'll just hit the plus icon, add a video editor node, connect all the generated clips into it, arrange them in the right order, and hit run. And we have a full video ready. I'm gonna save it to my computer, drop it into an editing software, add captions, and it's done. Now let's actually compare both versions.
Hey, I'm David. I'm the finance manager. Every car this team sells today comes through my desk. I'm thinking 12 deals, could be 15.
Hey, I'm David. I'm the finance manager. Every car this team sells today comes through my desk. I'm thinking 12 deals, could be 15. I've seen crazier Tuesdays, to be honest with you.
I don't know about you guys, but I can clearly see the difference between 2.5. The camera shake, the room noise, the natural expressions, the skin texture. And again, small details like this is what makes it look like it was actually filmed on a phone. Now, what I love about Max Fusion is that it also comes with a Claude MCP, which means you can connect it to Claude and create UGC videos just by chatting. To set it up, just click MCP on the left side in Max Fusion, copy this URL, go to Claude settings, add a new connection. You can name it Max Fusion, paste the URL, click add and hit connect. That's it. Now you can drop a prompt into Claude and get a full UGC video done. I created custom prompts for 12 of the most popular UGC video formats, which you can find in the description below. So I'll just pick one, fill in my product details in the brackets, choose my video length, and hit send. You can also attach your product image alongside the prompt. And about 5 minutes later, we have a full video ready.
Okay, so I used to be the most disorganized person ever. And then I started writing everything down in this journal every single morning. Genuinely changed everything.
And keep in mind, I didn't even give any sort of hook or a script. It came up with everything itself just from this one prompt. Now, if you want something more unique, Max Fusion MCP comes with a Vox style skill pre-installed. So I can just drop my product image and type something like, here's my product image, build me a Vox style ad for this note-taking journal through Max Fusion MCP, and hit send. As you can see, it mentions that there is a Vox style skill built exactly for this. Claude then walks me through a few quick questions. Do I want this video to be faceless or with a mascot? I'll go with faceless, no character. Do I want to chain the clips with last frame continuity? Absolutely. Simple or complex prompt mode? Let's go with complex. For the narrator voice, I'll go with female. And a few minutes later, Claude builds the entire video outline. We can see the narration script, the product analysis, and a full breakdown of each clip. You can edit any of it just by chatting with Claude, but I'm going to approve this and see what comes out. And in less than 10 minutes, we get multiple different clips ready. Now I just save them to my computer, stitch them together in my editing software, and the final video is done.
Your best ideas are stuck in your head, racing, colliding, vanishing before you ever write them down. Open it. One page, one pen, and the chaos turns into a plan you can actually follow.
This video style is amazing if you want to add variety to your content, and the fact that this skill comes pre-installed with Max Fusion MCP is a complete game changer. Seedance 2.5 is the biggest jump in AI UGC I've seen in a long time. Clips went from 15 to 30 seconds, references from 12 to 50, and the realism isn't even close to 2.0, which also means a 60-second video that used to take 4 stitch clips plus retries is now just 2 clean generations away. All the flows, prompts, and everything else I built in this video are in the description below. You can copy them straight into your Max Fusion account and start generating today. And if you want to stay ahead on what's coming next in AI UGC, I highly recommend following Ori Silver on X. He's constantly sharing new updates and formats that you can build. I also made a video on creating viral UGC slideshows, which you can watch right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.